How to fix TikTok cannot send messages due to privacy settings. So if you're facing a problem with sending messages, or if it's saying that you can't send messages due to your privacy settings, then the first thing you need to know is the person whom you're trying to message might have disabled that message option, because if that person doesn't want you to message, then you will not be able to message that person. But if that's not the case, then the second fix is to change your date of birth. Like if you're not above the age of 16, then on TikTok you won't have an option to message someone because of privacy settings. So that might be your problem. So first change your date of birth, but on TikTok you can't change your date of birth. So you need to delete that account, and then you can create your account with the age of above 16. And after that your problem might be fixed. But if it's not the case, then you can uninstall your TikTok application, and then you can again install it, and you can log back to your account. Or if that doesn't fix, then you can restart your device. But after restarting, if that still doesn't fix, then you can open up your TikTok, and then you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go to the upper right corner, which has that three-bar icon, and go for settings and privacy, and then scroll down and go for report a problem. Scroll all the way down and go for submit a report. And here you have to write that I'm not being able to message someone. You can simply include any personal information, and then you can also upload some screenshots of that, and then you can simply tap on submit. That might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.